Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus with Android 16. Okay, as you can see, the phone is protected with the screen lock and also with Google verification. So first we need to begin with turning off that screen lock. To do it, we need to enter the recovery mode, and to do it, we need to connect our phone into our computer using USB-C cable. Without it, we won't be able to enter recovery mode. And now, we need to hold power key and volume down until phone turns off. When it does, we need to quickly switch the combination. We need to start holding power key and volume up, and when Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. So, first, power and volume down. Now quickly switch. Release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. Okay, we are in the recovery mode, and now we have important part because we need to check our current version. In here we can find it. In my case, it's S936BXX S7BYK3. It's with Android 16 and with the security patch from November, so it will work. This method works for security patches until the December of 2025. Also, I will show you later how you can check your version in the internet, which Android you have and which security patch you have. Okay, now we need to perform a factory reset. Thanks to that, we will remove the screen lock, but remember that your data will be erased. So, using volume keys, select wipe data / factory reset, confirm, go down using volume key and confirm by clicking power button. Okay, now we can power off our device for now, so select power off. And now we can unplug the cable. Okay, and now I will launch my computer and I'll show you the further steps. I'll switch the camera quickly. No, the phone hasn't been turned off. I don't know why. Okay, now, first, open up your browser, and then in a new tab, you need to type S936B firmware. You can visit that page. That's the page that I'm about to use actually. In my case, it works in the best way, so I'll use this. Click on that, scroll down a little, type your country or CSC code. I have the European version of the phone, so I type EUX. Now scroll down. And in here we can see the versions, the operating system, and the security patch level. I had this version that ends with K3, and the security patch is from November 2025, so it will fully work, and I have Android 16. So that's how you can check your current version, your Android, and security patch level. Now you need to visit our page, HardReset.Info, and in that place, type S25 Plus, click on search, click on Samsung Galaxy S25, select bypass Google verification. Okay, how to bypass Google account protection in Samsung Galaxy S25 with Android 16 and security patch. And until security patch from December 2025, we had the version from November, so it will fully work. And here we have necessary tools and drivers. We need to install Samsung drivers and also the FRP tool. Let's begin with Samsung drivers. Simply click on that, click on download button, wait until it's installed. And before you download the FRP tool, you need to turn off your antivirus. Don't worry, this app is not a virus or anything. Basically, every FRP tool is recognized by antivirus as a threat, so that is why we need to turn off our antivirus for now. Of course, after the whole process, we can turn it on. So open up the settings, go into privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection, manage settings right in here, and you need to turn off real-time protection. In my case, it's already turned off, so I don't need to do it. I'm just showing you how to do it in your case. Okay, so now let's install Samsung FRP tool. Click on download. Okay, here it is. And now we need to install our drivers. So to do it, open up the downloads folder, and we need to extract this Samsung FRP tool and Samsung drivers. We can use WinRAR for it. Right click, select WinRAR, click on extract to, or if you don't have a WinRAR, you can use extract all function and click on extract. It will also work. If it's extracted, in my case, I have it right in here. Let's begin with Samsung USB driver. Click on that. In my case, it's already installed, but I'll do it once again. Okay. Click on next. Select the language that you want. I'll stick to English. Click on next and install. It's going to take a little bit, so we just need to be patient and wait until this process is done. Okay, it has been installed, so click on finish. And now I highly recommend to restart your computer, so we will have 100% sure that everything will go successfully and all of the drivers will be installed properly. Okay, now open up the SAM FRP tool. Select the exe file. The app will launch. Okay, here it is. Now we need to turn on our phone. So simply hold the power key. We need to wait until setup process appears on our screen. Okay, let's select reboot system now. Okay, we have our setup process, and now select your language, click on next once again, select that you agree, click on next, click on setup manually, click on OK. We need to connect to the Wi-Fi. It is important, we cannot skip that step, so type password into your Wi-Fi, click on connect. Let's keep going, click on setup later in settings. Once again, we need to wait. Okay, as you can see, our phone wants us to draw our pattern. Of course, we have deleted it. We can't also draw it. We cannot remember it. And if you click on use my Google account instead, we have our Google verification. Now let's skip that. Let's bypass it actually. Okay, now again, we need to connect our phone into our computer using USB-C cable. I highly recommend you to use the original cable because sometimes other cables may not work. Connect your phone, and now it's good to open up on your computer, it's good to open up the device manager. Simply right-click on the Windows icon, select device manager, and it's important that you need to see your device in modems and in portable devices. It is really important because without it, it may not work. Okay, our phone is connected. So now in our FRP tool, let's select Unlock FRP. Okay, please verify the following requirements: device connected in MTP mode, device connected to Wi-Fi, and Android version 16. Everything is just like it should. So now click on Continue. The process has started. We need to wait until it's finished. Okay. We need to keep waiting. 70%. Okay, we can see in our program that the operation went successfully, device is unlocked. Now let's wait until it's turned on. We can unplug the cable. Okay, now let's wait until our phone turns on. I'll go back to the full screen. Now, when our device will turn on, we'll perform a factory reset once again using the settings, and thanks to that, after the last reset, everything will be fully cleared and we won't have any Google verifications anymore. Okay. We can click on Start, select language, click on Next, Next, Agree, Next, set up manually. We can skip the Wi-Fi network for now. Click on Next, Skip, Skip, More, Accept, More, Agree, Next. Okay, we can click on Home. As you take a look, our phone has turned on successfully. When we go into the settings and into accounts, manage accounts, we don't have any Google accounts anymore. Everything went okay. And now let's reset our phone one last time. So go into General Management, Reset, scroll down, Factory Data Reset, Reset, and delete all. Let's wait until it's turned on. Samsung logo appeared. Okay. Click on Next, select language, Next, Next, Agree, Next. Set up manually, or if you want, you can now copy your apps. We can skip the network for now. Next, skip, skip anyway, scroll down, accept, scroll down again, agree, next. Click on Home, and now our device is fully unlocked and ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.